Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. So what you will have to gonna do, you will have to just open the Facebook app on the Android device. And what you have to gonna do, you will have to go and you will have to just click to the simply of the settings. And when settings is open, you will have to just go to the preferences and you will have to just click on the notifications settings and scroll down to find birthdays, and you will just turn it off, this allow notification on Facebook. So you will just simply turn it off, and the no notification of birthdays of upcomings on Facebook, you will be not notified. So it's just simply these steps you can follow it to turn it off birthday notification on Facebook. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.